Happening right now in Genesee County, hundreds of nurses from the Henry Ford Health Genesys Hospital are on strike this Labor Day. That's as an agreement between the nurses union and Henry Ford Health was not met. The crowd gathered at the hospital entrance this morning along Holly Road and Graham Blank. They tell ABC 12 News they are fighting for fair wages, more resources, and a fair patient ratio, which they say impacts care. We are told Teamsters Local 332 and Henry Ford Health met to talk about the contract on Friday. Union President Dan Glass said their demands were still unmet and that there is significance to this strike happening on Labor Day.
Labor Day is a day that's supposed to be celebrating labor, not have an employer give you a last best offer that forces you to turn it down and walk out. So at 100%, this is a day that's supposed to be celebrating these guys, and we have an employer that put us in a spot where we had to strike.
He went on to say they will be offering the hospital new dates to meet again both this week and next week. He and nurses tell us they are prepared to fight as long as it takes and that the hospital has brought in traveling nurses for the next 2 weeks during this strike. Henry Ford also releasing a statement to our newsroom this morning saying in part, we're grateful for our 55,000 Henry Ford Health team members on Labor Day and every day who are relentless advocates for our patients and members, the community and each other. They went on to say we hope to welcome our Genesys nurses back to work soon. Make sure to stay with ABC 12 News for continuing coverage.